Hey everyone, welcome back to Bloggin Good Food channel. Today we are making a delicious and fun summer side dish, Mexican street corn, also known as elote. First things first, gather your ingredients. Fresh corn on the cob, butter melted, all-purpose seasoning, salt, pepper, garlic and onion powder, cilantro chopped, mayo, sour cream, lime, juice and zest, Cotija cheese, crumbled, tahini optional, fresh lime wedges for serving. Prep the corn, husk and remove the silk from the corn cobs, brush them with melted butter and sprinkle with your all-purpose seasoning. Make the sauce. In a bowl, combine mayo, sour cream, lime juice and chopped cilantro. A little tahini adds a nice twist, but smoked paprika or chili powder works too. Grill or roast. If you have a grill, preheat it to medium-high. If not, your oven will do just fine. On the grill, cook the corn for 12 to 15 minutes, rotating occasionally for even char. In the oven, preheat to 400 degrees and roast for 15 minutes, then switch to broil for the last few minutes of some char. Assemble the elote. Once the corn is cooked and tender, brush it with your creamy sauce. Generously sprinkle with cotija cheese and a touch of tahini or your substitute. Finishing touches. Top it all off with a squeeze of fresh lime juice and sprinkle of fresh cilantro. That's it. You have yourself a delicious and authentic Mexican street corn ready to devour. Here are some quick tips. Don't forget to soak your skewers in water before grilling the corn for easier handling. Go easy on the creamy sauce. You just want enough to hold the cheese. If you can't find cotija cheese, feta cheese is a decent substitute. We hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you gave it a try, let us know in the comments below what you think. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy and delicious recipe and hit that notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for joining us on Bloggin Good Food channel.